The layout for S spiral shows the same color in the north and south and a different color in the east and west. If I were to make a Z spiral braid, the movements counterclockwise and clockwise would still be the same, but the layout would be different. So I would move my elements in pairs like this, so I have mixed pairs, and then I would start the movements. The same movements for S spiral are the same movements for Z spiral. 2 movements clockwise, 2 movements counterclockwise. So let's reconvert that to the S spiral. We'll get the pairs together that are the same color. We have north and south as pink and east and west as gold. One thing about making this braid, you don't want your elements to be really long. You want them to be about 2 hand worths in length. If they get really long, they twist around each other, so it's kind of a problem. It's easier to unroll your tama to get the right length. Okay, so the movement, we're going to start with the left element here and cross it over its pink partner, and we're going to just move it 90 degrees. Then we're going to pick up the yellow element, move it over its partner 90 degrees. The pink moves over its pink, and the yellow moves over its yellow or gold. That's one set of movements clockwise. The other set of movements is counterclockwise. We're crossing over the partner and stopping at the 90-degree angle, crossing over its partner, basically taking the middle of the 3 elements, crossing over 1, take the middle of the 3 elements, cross over 1. Notice I have now come to color opposites. Yellow in north and south, pink in east and west. So how do I know where I'm going to be starting? If you look at this point of interlacement, you see it's like a little pinwheel where each element is going out and around and laying on top of an element underneath it. You want to take the element that's underneath as your starting point. So, since we have 2 hands, we're going to go ahead and do this movement simultaneously, picking up diagonal opposites, moving 1 step clockwise, taking the middle of the 3 and returning to the north and south. Then we're going to take the other element, cross over its partner, and return north and south. And I've re-established the original layout, which is pink in north and south, gold in east and west. So these movements are continuous time after time. Again, we've got the color opposite layout, and we're returning to the original color layout. We'll do it one more time. 90 degrees, take the middle of the 3, return to the vertical, counterclockwise, middle of the 3, return to the vertical. And again, notice each time that the point of interlacement is going to be a pinwheel, sometimes with the element arms going that direction, and the other time element arms going clockwise.